Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited because my seasonal VineOh box just arrived. Do you want to know what goodies are in here and which 2 bottles of wine I'll be sipping on? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so VineOh just arrived and I have been getting this one for well over a year that I was paying for it. They now added me to their affiliate program, so I did receive this for review to show you guys. So thank you so much, VineOh, for adding me to your list and sending me this amazing box because I love this box. And today is Sunday and me and my man were just chilling watching TV and I heard like clunk, 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 and I'm like, why does it sound like a UPS or a FedEx truck? He's like, it does, doesn't it? I'm like, yeah. He's like, who's here? I'm like, I don't know. So he gets up and looks and he's like, oh, it is. And then he signs for it because you have to sign for it. So he signed for it and he brought it in. He goes, it's your wine box. I'm like, what? He goes, it's your wine box. I'm like, today on a Sunday? What? Okay, I could definitely use a bottle of wine. So doo-doo balls and all, I'm doing this video. So you're welcome. You're going to see these things popping around, like bopping around, but you know, that's just how I was rolling today. It was my chill day, not my recording day, but this box changed that. So thank you. Let's get in here and see what is in this seasonal box. I'm super excited to see what we have. I'm always excited when this box comes, but new season, new VineOh, new wines, new goodies, I'm there. All right, you guys, so let's get in here. Let's show you what's going to be in here, and then I'll tell you about VineOh at the end if you don't already know. So on the top is the goods box. It's always packaged literally right on top. They have the best packaging, especially when it comes to their wine. I've never ever had any type of a broken item, damaged item, anything like that. So this box here is your goodies. Let me set that aside for a second. And then down in here is where they carefully package the wine right there. Now, when it comes to the wine, you can tell them if you want 2 red wines, 2 white wines, a mixture of both, or sweets. So I chose a mixture of both because I like a mixture. And this way I get to try out different things. So this month's wine is going to be these 2 guys right here. And this one I have never had before. This one I have had prior, and this one's really good. So I'm glad to see that back again. So this is Night Vine 2017 California Merlot. There's that. This one is New Crush California Rose 2017. So there's 2 different California wines. I'm a California girl, so I love getting California wine delivered to me here in Florida. So let me set these down so I do not break them because one of them I'm going to be drinking today. Let's go ahead and get into here. This is the goods. Let's see what this season brings. And it says, oh, for me. Then when you open it up, that is what it looks like inside. So they always tend to give you like a jewelry item, a food item, and some really cool items in between. So this right here on top does go over each individual product on these cards. And then one card by itself tells you your total value for the entire box. So this one right here that goes over every item, it says my total value is $160 plus. And the plus is because these bottles of wine, they are anywhere from $21 to $26. So at the very least, at $21 would be $160 for both. But if one or both of them leans more towards the $25 range, you might need to add $5 to $10 to the total. So it says 160 plus. So let's see what all we have. The first thing that we could have seen right on top, it says sweet and cheesy popcorn. Ooh, that sounds amazing. And it looks like it has like all 3 inside, like the different flavors, because I see caramel, I see cheese, and it looks like regular. Let me find the card for this. So this right here says, this popcorn is a treat that mixes the flavors of sweet, rich caramel with salty, savory cheddar cheese. It's an all-in-one delicious mouthful, popped to perfection. Oh, yum. This is a 5-ounce bag of popcorn. And there is a special offer. You can visit HammondsCandies.com and use promo code VineOh2020 for 20% off your order. And that coupon code expires on 8/1 of 2020, one use per coupon. So if you are interested in this particular company, use VineOh 2020 to save 20% off. So there's that. And again, it looks like it has all 3 flavors mixed into one. So that's awesome. I can't wait to have that with my wine. Okay, so there's item number 1. Okay, so the next item in here, you guys, it says save water, drink wine, and it looks like it is a wine cap, and it is. So this looks like it would have came in 3 different ones. There is I Earned It, which is purple. There's this save water, drink wine, which I love this. And then there's one that says on cloud wine. So those look like there would be all 3 right there, and they were probably sent at random. Yes, it says made from food grade silicone, designs vary. And this guy right here, oh, I'm so sorry. The popcorn is valued at $5. So that's $5. This is valued at $5 each. So whichever one you would have got was $5. So there's $10 plus the 2 bottles of wine. So at least $42 down there with this. So we're already at 50 something dollars. And we still have more items in here. So this is really neat. And it is just a normal stopper that goes over the entire bottle. And that's really nice. I like that. I think I need a new one anyway, so thanks. Now this one says, backed by popular demand, the Copa Bunga is a perfect way to reseal your wine. Just slip the cap over the top of your open bottle of wine for storage. It sits right on top of the bottle, so it fits in the fridge door, but it's also liquid tight, so you can store the bottle on its side. Oh, wow. And that's one thing I don't like putting the corks back in, because then they stick up too much to go in, and I actually save all of my corks. I have the thing on the wall that I'm putting them all in currently, so that's really neat. I'm glad to have that. So then the next item is probably going to be the jewelry item. So let me pull up the card. Yes. This is a Pave ball necklace. Ooh. And this is going to be valued at $55. So this necklace alone is $55. So let's get this opened. Ooh. All right. So it does have an adjustable top, and it looks like it is a small gold chain, and then there is the bottom. So it looks kind of like a little, yeah, it's a little stone. It has several different stones to make like a really sparkly effect, kind of like a disco ball. But that is what that looks like. There's all these little tiny like stones that are around it. That's actually really pretty. Let's see what this looks like. It says it's a 16 chain with a 3-inch extender. This delicate layering necklace can be worn to work or play. Wear it on its own or layer it up with your other necklaces. No matter how you style it, you are sure to make heads turn. Oh, chic. Okay. So, let's attack it. So there we go. Let me move this one out of the way. There you have it. And it does spin around, like the whole thing does spin, turns. So that is really pretty. I like that. I'm not too hip on yellow golds, and I tell you guys that, but every now and then I do have like sweaters and stuff that actually have gold hardware. So when I do wear those, I do grab my gold jewelry that I have to kind of have it match, but I normally don't prefer it, but that is really, really pretty. And the thing that it's on is like a silver. So I really like that. If you are interested in this, the special offer, you can visit capabunga.com and use promo code SPRING25 for 25% off your order. Expires 7/31/2020. 1 coupon per customer. So that's at that brand right there. So there's that. And then this necklace didn't have a coupon code on the bottom of it. So let's go ahead and get into the next item. Ooh, this is Julep. And this is the Mauve Hydrating Lip Gloss Duo. Those look like pretty colors. And I like that there's 2, because then if you want to be more purpley or more pinky, you've got it covered. This is valued at $38. So we have this, and you can receive a special offer. Receive 25% off your order by using JULEP25 at julep.com. Expires 7/31/2020. So they have a code if you like this brand and you would like to check them out. But let's go ahead and get this open and see what these colors are. I just couldn't find my knife for a second. I have so much stuff in front of me now. This is really cute packaging though. I like the flowers and stuff on it. And then when you open it up, there's the 2 different colors. And let's see here. These are really pretty. They're like a lip gloss. Hydrating lip gloss duo. I still have my tag though. Don't mind that. But there are the 2 colors right there for the lip gloss. Let me just put the purple one on because that one has a darker pigment on it and just see what it does on the lips. It has a birthday cake scent. I'm picking up on a birthday cake scent. It smells really good. That does smell really good. So there's the 2 different colors, both the lip gloss. One has like a purple tint to it, and one has more of like a mauve pinker tint to it. And it feels really good and it smells really good. Again, that's valued at $38. And then the last thing we have in here is this guy right here. This is a tickled pink cosmetic bag, which would have been in 4 different colors. And there are the different colors right there. And I got the green one, which green or blue or any of those colors would have been really nice to receive. So let's get this opened. Okay, so here is the actual bag itself. That is really, really pretty. I like the leaves and then the black stripes, but it looks like the leaves are kind of in front of it and then some of them are behind it. I really like that design, I do. So then when you open it up, it does have their tag with the name right there. And then inside it's all polka dot and it's actually lined. So if any of your makeup does spill, it'll be easily cleaned up and wiped out. But this is a really good size cosmetic bag for travel, just to keep your stuff in the bathroom, to put anything you want in it. That's a really nice bag and I like this color. Like I said, you wouldn't go wrong probably with any of those, but I really like this green one. That would probably be my favorite between them. And this bag right here is valued at, here we go, $15. So this guy is $15. The lip gloss is $38. The necklace is $55. The wines are $21 to $26 each. The popcorn is $5 and the wine top is $5. So that is everything that came in this seasonal box, you guys. This is the Oh Happy Day box. Let me know what you thought about it. Comment down below. What did you think about this season? What did you think about the items in here? Let me know down below. This box is still available. I will link them down below and I do have a code as well. I will get to that in just 1 second. So going over a recap, we have this really pretty cosmetic bag. I do like that. We have the 2-piece julep lip gloss set, which I really like that. We have the wine bottle stopper, which of course I like that. We have this necklace and we have some popcorn to munch on, and not to forget our 2 little guns over here with our 2 bottles of wine, which you can customize to the type of wines you like. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about VineOh, I will let you know right now. Again, I do have a code SheCrafty. SheCrafty will get you 1 free bottle of wine plus $10 off your first subscription box, which that's amazing because you're actually getting almost $30 to $35 off then because of the bottle of wine. So this is $59.99 per box, and you're always gonna get a value of $120 or more. And mine is valued at least $160, but could be a little bit more based on the value of my wine. So you get free shipping. So it's $59.99, free shipping. You always get 2 bottles of wine and you get your goods as well. Now, you get to pick your wine between white, reds, mixed, and sweets. You choose your payment quarterly or a one-time annual to save a little bit on the box. Then you sit back, you relax, and you wait for your box to come 4 times a year because it's seasonal. You get 2 bottles of wine, 5 to 6 full-size products of fun, rejuvenating, and delicious surprises, incredible value of $120 or more in every box for $59.99 with free shipping. quarterly box is a special treat 4 times a year. You can also gift a box if you would like to just gift a one-time box to somebody. You can do that as well. I will link them down below. SheCrafty will get you 10% off your first box and 1 free bottle of wine. So your first box will be $10 cheaper and you'll get 3 bottles of wine with your first box. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much, VineOh, for sending me this amazing box. I cannot wait. I don't even know which wine I want to open first, but you best believe one of them is getting opened right now with that popcorn. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this again. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Sorry about my doo-doo balls again, but you know, I just want to show you what was in the box, not my hair. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.